welcome. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of different skincare products like body butters, handmade soaps and lotions, and shower steamers. So today what I'm doing is I'm making some hand lotions, and this is a raspberry rose hibiscus tea scent. It's a fragrance oil. And this is the fresh ginger lime, that's from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And that's the raspberry rose hibiscus tea, and then that's raspberry jam. So I combined the two of those for the raspberry rose hibiscus tea lotion. And then this is the orange X, and you want to leave this in the refrigerator so it doesn't turn rancid. And so it has a nice orange color, and then that's the lavender essential oil. And I get that in bulk from Bulk Apothecary. So this is going to be a lotion. It's in a nice big piping bag, and I will pipe all those in these little bottles right here. These are 1 ounce, and I have a lot of them. And then over here, this is a lavender orange essential oil hand lotion, and they all have, every one of them has calendula and chamomile extracts in them. So nice soothing lotion. And then this here is a fresh ginger lime lotion, and the scent is just beautiful. So the shop smells really good. I'm having lots of fun making these lotions, and these are going to go in some gift sets that I'm making. I made a body wash with the lavender orange and the fresh ginger lime scent, and then I'm going to be making this one here in a body wash scent also. So I gotta get to it, back at it, but I just wanted to show you a little bit about what I'm doing in the shop today. Oh, and also this has beetroot powder for the color, which is really cool. So I sifted it. I got that from Crafter's Choice, and I just sifted it. Make sure I did that before I combined it with my lotion. And then this here is a natural color. It's a light orange. It looks like a yellow color, but it's actually from the Orange X essential oil. So this is a lavender orange, and then this one has no color at all. I decided I just wanted to leave this with no color, and I wanted to have a natural color for the one that has the raspberry rose hibiscus tea scent, because this stays on the skin, and I figured it'd be kind of nice to have something that's all natural. All right, this is Diane from Vermont Lavender. Like, share, and subscribe if you're interested and see more videos on how to make skincare products, soaps and lotions, and all sorts of good things, and shower steamers. All right, I'll see you next time.